Welcome to TagoIO. In this video, I will show you how to create and use a Compose widget. Start by adding a widget to your dashboard and selecting Compose. Name the widget and select the device or devices and variables you would like to use as the pins. If your variables have not yet been created, you will see this notification letting you know that they will be initialized once they are sent from their device. Next, you can select which type of background you would like, and you can choose to show the X and Y coordinates of the background. You can also add aliases for your variable names as well as input icons. The icons can be any SVG image that you can provide a link to, in addition to those provided by TagoIO. You can also configure the icon colors. Under pin configuration, you can add pin web page links and link labels for each pin. Once your widget is set up, you just need your device to send data with your chosen variables. In this example, I will simulate the event of a device sending variables soil moisture, barn temperature, and cow count using the device emulator. Make sure that in your JSON package, you're sending X and Y coordinates in the metadata field as shown. In the widget, the pins will appear based on those coordinates, with the X position going from 0 on the left side of the background to 1 on the right side, and the Y position going from 0 at the top of the background to 1 at the bottom. For more information about Compose widgets, look up Compose in the Help Center on TagoIO or visit community.tago.io. Thank you for watching.